Today we've got one of our biggest challenges yet. Can we recreate Grand Theft Auto, but in real life? So we are here at the Willow Springs International Raceway, specifically at Horse Thief Mile. Our plan here is to figure out how to best shoot with the X5, how best to mount it on the car, how to get some of those classic like third-person GTA shots, and maybe if we have some time, start mapping out how we're actually gonna do the rig behind me as we're walking.
Let's get the car settled.
You just mentioned that you've got the guns out. No one need to see that. Oh, good Lord. Oh, we should probably mention that we're going to be using my beautiful car.
Porsche Tango.
Targa.
Porsche Tango.
That's an A. So especially with a nice car like this, we don't want to rig the camera onto things that probably shouldn't be rigged on to damage it.
Wait. Why'd I bring the drill then?
You don't need the drill. Suction, look at this. Ken came prepared with suction cups. You know, the thing that's meant to be mounted on car.
I like how you said Ken came prepared when I packed that.
Well, I think we've got a couple of options that are specifically meant for car mounts, right?
Oh, this is actually, so these are Insta360 branded, but from Tilta. This is a pretty good brand, heavy duty stuff.
We have some screenshots of GTA. So what you'll see is you're pretty much getting the full car in the shot, right? The camera looks like it's probably around like here. Matt, what does this look like from right here? Like how close is this to the game?
So we're too high.
Too high, okay, so like here.
Immediately, the only issue with that is with this guy.
Oh,
we cannot get the proper angle because we are somewhat limited with how this is all positioned.
Then let's put it down on the paint.
The angle here is too high.
So you want like this?
Yeah. You want to make sure you dent the car.
No.
Sweet. Oh, well.
Ha!
Dab, 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 dab.
I really want to get on the racetrack right now.
Now watch me whip.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good, man.
Why do you doubt us?
Okay.
Man, Insta360 should be sponsoring us, not him.
Let's give this a try. Let's do a quick lap, see how it feels. We'll go from there. We've been using Insta360 for years now. In fact, a couple years ago, we were actually at this very track with the X3. However, with the brand new Insta360 X5, it is an absolute game changer. Part of why the new camera looks so much better is because of the dual 144% larger sensors compared to the X4, which especially helps in low light and HDR. The new PureView video mode specifically tackles those challenging low light situations where previous 360 cameras struggled, and it has way more processing power too. The X5 features a new triple AI chip setup with 2 dedicated Pro imaging chips, plus a 5nm AI chip, providing 140% more computing power for better looking shots and improved stabilization. Even with all that extra power, the X5 can still shoot for as long as you need. It has an impressive 185-minute runtime with endurance mode and can even fast charge to 80% in just 20 minutes. For any shot the standard bundle can't handle, there's an accessory for just about everything. And as you'll see for this shoot, we're going to be using a lot of options. The new magnetic mounting system makes it super quick to swap between different mounts, and the IP68 waterproofing means that you can take it down to 49 feet underwater without a case. And with all the action you're shooting, even if the lens does get damaged, they have an all-new replaceable lens program.
Oh! Yeah, that looks broken. Hey! It worked!
There's also InstaFrame, which allows you to not only record the full 360 video, which you can of course edit later, but on top of that will also save a dedicated 2D image, which is super easy to share. And importantly, you can actually use AI to reframe, so as you follow around the camera, it will always keep you in shot. This is legitimately some of the coolest camera tech I've tried in a long time. It just opens up so many possibilities for creators. And you might just say a great way to capture GTA in real life. Shall we do a moderate pace lap on my 54-year-old car and see how it looks and how it feels?
Yeah, let's do it.
Right.
Ooh.
We're gonna cut that part out.
Ooh. Oh, there we go. Yo. The backfires. Our mounts are doing a good job right now. The camera is planted. We got a lot of dynamic range out of this camera as Austin goes around the second to last hairpin on Horse Thief. You can feel that rear kind of coming up a little bit through some of that. Woo! Yeah.
I need all the power going up the hill.
Dude, but I mean, look at that grip though. Woo! Oh!
Okay, that is a lot of fun. Let's head back to the pit, get a quick look at that footage, but I'm feeling good.
Handbrake turn.
No.
Handbrake turn. No, don't do it. Oh!
All right, something we're noticing in the footage that we didn't notice before, but we're a little off center.
No. Is it because I drove so aggressively?
No.
It was because I was so fast. That was what it was.
So we're gonna just make sure that that's actually planted in the middle now.
Hey, I need this. With our Insta360 rig in pretty good shape, now I think it is time to put the Grand Theft Auto into our GTA video. I need this. Why is he chasing me? I didn't think you could chase. Did you actually fall?
Yeah.
Now that I've stolen the car, all I gotta do is just lay low, chill out, and surely my wanted level will go away any minute now, right? Do I have 2 stars right now? Oh man, I'm at 2 stars. Wait, hang on, play it cool, play it cool, play it cool.
Units be advised, I'm waiting for the Porsche at the pit lane exit.
Here's the thing, I need to just watch out, because they could be around here any point. Oh, here he comes. Okay, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Okay, he's coming, let's go, let's go. Oh no, this is full throttle. He's right behind me. All right, I mean, lose him in the corners, lose him in the corners. Oh, he's right there. Come on, Porsche! All right, let's huck it in here. Let that weight transfer help me. Let's go. I'm hauling right now, man. I'm trying to get weight.
The lightest weight car. Oh my God, I'm getting close.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no! I see him! I see him! Oh, this is bad. This is bad.
Stop! Stop
No!
your car!
No!
Stop! You're out! He's
You'll
shooting
never
at
catch
me!
me alive!
He's shooting at me!
Oh God, he's right there! Oh no!
Stop
No!
your car!
You're taking me
Stop!
alive!
Wait! This is why I didn't pass the academy.
Woohoo! Let's go, boys! Whew. Was that not the coolest thing we've ever done for video?
Actually kind of fun. If this wasn't real life, I would have crashed into you.
So here's the thing, we still gotta look at the footage, we've gotta edit it and everything, but at the very least, I think we have enough for the car segment where we're actually driving through Santa Monica. Oh, right.
We forgot about to rig you up for the
person. What if we just do can we just make it a car video?
No, we gotta, you walk around in GTA.
Yeah, we gotta
strap you up,
yeah,
dude.
man.
You realize the track rental ended 5 minutes ago, right?
All right, we're gonna strap you up at the beach. I'ma strap you up at the beach.
See you in Santa Monica, my friends. And so, my friends, it is time to put the Insta360 X5 to the test. So we are here in Santa Monica, right by the pier, which is, of course, heavily featured in GTA 5. I'll T-pose.
And, well, okay. All right, so the pole comes up, and this is pretty good. The problem is, he doesn't have much mass.
Excuse me?
He does, so it kind of wags a little too much. If he had a butt, this would be a lot easier. I have full control here.
I'll say, that's pretty good.
This pole can go super high, and what's cool is the camera will actually paint this entire pole out.
We actually don't really care about what's behind the camera. It's nice to have that, and we'll be able to sort of zoom out. I can't breathe.
Well, you could zoom in, there's me, or we can turn around, there's the back of Austin's head. But if we want, we can go super wide out on this. All of these are available in the software to change at any time.
Okay, hang on, so let me hit NPC mode. So I'm just walking, I walk backward. It's really hard for me to do this because I have no idea what it looks like right now. I'm just assuming that as I'm walking, I'm just turning the sticks in my controller.
I mean, try just walking normal.
What?
Ew.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's way
that
better.
looks great.
If we don't tell him to stop, he's just gonna keep walking.
He's just gonna keep going. He's like Ron Burgundy.
Is that good?
We need a little bit more.
Keep going, dude.
Keep going. We're testing out the range.
Got it.
So you guys want to grab lunch?
Yeah. Bubba Gump.
Bubba Gump's over there.
Bubba Gump. Can you actually break out in a full sprint?
Sure.
That's his full sprint.
I mean, he's also very restricted right now. He looks so
Someone's
funny.
gonna beat him up.
He almost ran into someone. Oh, he's on the sand now.
You're a little out of breath.
It's a good Tom Cruise.
You said full sprint. I also can only breathe 70% of this thing.
So I will say that, like, with the black shirt, the pole is completely gone.
Yeah.
Now, the back is a little...
What?
If we wanted to hide this, we could put this all under a sweater.
No, it's freaking hot. I'm at the beach.
Okay, all right, well.
Have I not suffered enough for the art? All right, what do we got?
All right, so pull up the clip.
This is full 8K.
Yeah, 8K at 30. Our editor is gonna do all the keyframing and stuff like that, but we wanna make sure
Will
that
has a name.
We can zoom out and, you know, as we zoom out, it gets more warped and stuff like that. Really, our sweet spot is just having...
Somewhere in there, yeah. Dude, that looks so good. There's so much detail here.
Yeah.
It's 8K by 4K is our resolution. Because the actual video files, if you ever look at them without going through the Insta360 software, it's like a big wide stretch, right? But it's crazy at how much flexibility we've got.
Well, so remember what we're up against here with GTA is that is a magic floating camera.
Of course.
That is just, you know, hovering behind a character. And so there's a little shake to it. And as you zoom in a little bit, you lose some of that curvature, which you may or may not want. Some of these are the physical limitations of strapping a camera to someone.
Yeah.
I'm actually kind of curious to see how good this would look if you had someone following you. The GTA 5 camera, relatively speaking, is a little lazy. I mean, obviously this is like the best approach if it was just you. But I mean, we have multiple hands here. I could literally take this pole and
straight off.
Yeah. Maybe like here, kind of simulate it as if it was on your back.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, I can get that part.
You're a married man. What?
I'm not.
There's no doubt that if you're shooting by yourself, the Insta360 allows you with this rig to get shots that you just simply could not get otherwise. However, what we're trying to do here is get just a little bit closer to the feel of the game. So as you walk and run in GTA, the camera actually subtly moves back and forth. So that is why we have decided to opt for a slightly more manual way of shooting. I'm imagining cool GTA music right now. Do we want to get playback and then we'll actually hit the pier?
I would love to get playback. I'm actually really curious.
Playback.
As much as we've spent time building this rig, one of the things I'm immediately realizing is that by having Ken run the camera, it means that we can actually match the perspectives in the game. Let's go up and down the pier. Let's try to grab some shots at some locations, and then we're gonna set it up on the car and get the final shots, which will be all up and down Santa Monica, on the freeway, the whole thing, and see what it looks like.
Late for tea!
What was that?
Wait, let's talk about this! Is this really happening?
First divorce, then this?
Can you please decide where you are going?
So with my exploration of the Del Perro Pier fully complete, it is time to go out and explore the beautiful world of Los Santos. Alright, stay straight.
Get a move on!
Alright, coming in right now. Alright, here we go. Alright, oh man, CRV is trying to back into the middle of traffic. Lovely.
You're about to kiss a freight train. I hope you're insured, chump. I'll kick your teeth in.
And thanks to our friends at Insta360, you can get yourself a free lens replacement kit for the first 50 people who buy an X5 using the link in the description. And stay tuned, my friends. Next time, I'm going for 6 stars.